Hello, this video is going to show you how to give new life to your plastic lawn furniture. So this was already cleaned. You can see here it's in dire need of some help. Over in the right hand corner there, I tried to take a blowtorch to it, but that was going to take forever. So instead, I opted for the boiled linseed oil. Make sure you wear gloves, get a microfiber towel, and get ready to do it. I use just water and Dawn dish soap and a little scrubber to get these clean. You want to make sure that's completely dry before you get started with this process. Boiled linseed oil is very flammable, so you want to make sure that you're disposing of this terry cloth properly. This is just after one coat, immediately after. Say hello to my lawn managers there. This is after a full dry of 72 hours. It stunk horribly in the meantime. This is the side that I used a blowtorch on. I kind of preferred this method, to be honest. It did leave a little bit of a burn mark there that you can see, but this was going to take forever, and I had boiled linseed on hand, so it just worked out.